Hi everybody, my name is Danish and welcome to this brand new series. It's called What's It Like? I'm assuming as a fan of RCB, at some point you've had these questions come to your mind. What's it like to be the laundryman at RCB? What's it like to be in the security detail? What's it like to be in the RCB kitchen? What's it like to be ABCDEFG? And on this episode, we're going to focus on what's it like to be an RCB intern.
Yeah, just this experience of being around such players, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, it's something like an amazing feeling.
ये बस एक तरीके का फीलिंग है जो हम फील करते थे पहले कि हमें खेलना है कि हमें जाना है वो एक ड्रीम है आगे.
These young men are the force behind RCB's hard work in the nets. They work tirelessly bowling to big names. Their only purpose, turn dreams to reality. But how do you become an RCB intern?
They called us for a trial in Jan 2020, just before the auction. And from there, they didn't pick us from the auction, but the IPL was supposed to happen in India and then it ended up happening in Dubai.
Correct.
So they wanted some net bowlers for that tournament. So they called us around September.
And how many people show up for that trial?
There were around 10 or 12, from which they picked around 5 or 6 guys.
Every RCB intern makes it to the squad on merit. While some auditioned and were spotted in a crowd, some were given the wild card entry. Tell me, how did you get to RCB?
The World Cup just finished and COVID started, and after the COVID thing, like IPL was announced.
Yeah.
So I got a call from Malo sir and he asked me to basically join RCB as like this. So I said yes, I'll grab this opportunity by both hands and I came here.
Opportunities aren't holidays. Once they've seized the moment of making it into the team, let's understand what it takes to be here.
I bowl around 100 balls and yeah.
Wow, and that's over a period of 2 hours.
Yeah.
And you do this for 40 days.
Yeah.
What's the math then? 4,000 balls across this entire period.
Yeah, something around.
Does it tire you?
At times, yeah, but we do get our off days and we do get time to train and recover. So.
Yeah. In terms of where you bowl the ball, right? If you're bowling 100 deliveries, is it you doing what you want to show your talent, or is it that they tell you, hey, you bowl the ball here and you just keep bowling it there?
It's a mixture of both, I guess, because at times they do tell me to bowl at a certain place because it's trying to help the team out.
Yeah.
And at times they tell you to do your thing. So I think it's a mixture of both.
Being an RCB intern is a lot of hard work. It comes with perks, and some of the perks are just too huge. And have you got any of the big guns out?
Yeah, I'd say if you keep bowling to them, at times they would get out. So yeah.
So whose wickets have you got in the nets?
I'd say I've got Dev, Kohli, I've not got AP to there. I was not bowled much to him, but yeah, I've got Dev and the captain.
And how did the captain react?
He's never pleased to get out in the nets.
The RCB interns are here to make their dreams come true. They have a foot in the door, but are they fully welcomed?
I've been part of this team for the last 2 years and it always feels like we're part of the squad.
Yeah.
Like we're never treated differently from the rest of the group, and we hang out with everyone.
Yeah.
And we can speak to the coaches as much as we like. So yeah, we get to learn a lot.
While some roll their arms trying to fulfill their dreams, some have a magic wand. How did you become a flicker?
So basically I was also a cricketer when I was playing like my under 19 that time and all. So after that, that time I just got an injury. Right? While playing I just got a return hit on my head. So after that I was having slight sight issues and all this. So I was not able to focus on fielding and all this. So I just stopped my cricket career, like playing cricket, and I just turned into this thing. I finished my BCCI coaches test and all.
Wow.
And I just turned into a flicker.
So how does this work?
This is the same like fast bowling principle, bro. So we just keep the ball inside this cup, and everything we are doing with our wrist, like release points, outswing, in-swing, cutters, slowers, everything we are just doing with our wrist and release points. So that is the basic principle of.
So like the plastic Jasprit Bumrah.
yeah.
Talent always finds a way to shine. But what happens when the shimmer is too much?
वेरी फर्स्ट डे मेरा जो सेशन था विराट भैया के साथ था यहाँ पर. मेरा वेरी फर्स्ट बॉल जो मैंने डाला विराट भैया को ही डाला. थोड़ा सा.
और ये कितने साल पहले था?
लास्ट ईयर की बात है. दुबई में ही हुआ है. क्या हुआ? पहला ही बॉल डाला, थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस थी मुझे कि सामने विराट भी है, ऑब्वियस है, मतलब जिसको हम काफी टाइम से देख रहे हैं उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस, उनको प्रैक्टिस करवाना। लेकिन था कि मतलब इस लेवल पे आया हूँ तो कुछ ना कुछ है अंदर, तो मुझे अपना 100% देना है यहाँ पर। वेरी फर्स्ट डे थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया था, वो गुस्सा हो गया।
दिया 100%?
हाँ दिया, मैंने अपना 100% दिया। लेकिन वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे कि तू फर्स्ट डे आके 100% दे।
हाँ।
तो वो एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन के बाद आए हुए थे सारे, तो मतलब वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे कि इतना तेज मैं डालूंगा। स्टिक से मैं 150 प्लस डाल रहा था उनको। एक्चुअली मुझे अपना एफर्ट दिखाना था यहाँ पर कि मैं
डाल सकता हूँ
कि मतलब आप वर्ल्ड क्लास बैट्समैन है तो मुझे आपको मतलब कंपटीशन देना है यहाँ पे नेट्स के अंदर।
करेक्ट।
तो मतलब वो मैंने डाला, 2-3 मैंने बाहर निकाली और मैंने एक अंदर डाली, मतलब तो वो उनको लग गया बोल आगे। तो वो बोले कि यहाँ अभी स्किल नहीं दिखा हमें, हम 4-5 महीने से आउट ऑफ टच है और टच में आएंगे फिर मतलब मेरे को आके ऐसे मतलब जैसे डालना चाहे डाल सकता है।
बस इतने प्यार से बोला? प्यार
से नहीं, थोड़ा सा मतलब एग्रेशन था। लेकिन वो मतलब वेरी काइंड, मतलब वो अपना जर्सी साइन करके दिया, मैच जर्सी।
एंड इट्स देयर इन योर ऑफिस?
मैंने एकेडमी में लगाया अपने।
The culture among RCB interns is of brotherhood and kindness. While there is a strong competitive spirit, the RCB interns take a lot of pride in each other's success. What does it feel like to see your own friends who play with you probably in the state team or in a club team, to see them as a part of the team and not be there?
Nah, it's good. I'm quite happy for them. You know? It's quite a wonderful opportunity, and being part of it myself as part of in 2017 as part of the Pune team that reached the final. So it's quite good and it's quite a wonderful opportunity for everyone.
Life is a lot like T20 cricket. It changes gears sooner than one can imagine, and boom, you've arrived. नेट बॉलिंग से सीधा आप टीम में आ गए, वो भी 6 महीनों में। जिंदगी इतनी बदल गई 6 महीनों में।
बिल्कुल। वो तो क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, मतलब शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते हैं उस इमोशन को
जी।
बट एक और बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिला है टीम में आने के बाद, क्योंकि एज ए नेट बॉलर हमको प्रैक्टिस कराना था, सीखना था, लेकिन अभी टीम के लिए भी कुछ करना है, कुछ सोचना है, तो मैं उसके हिसाब से सोच रहा हूँ अभी। अगर दृढ़ संकल्प और डेडिकेशन के साथ किसी भी काम करें तो सपने साकार हो सकते हैं।